Hey, come on, bird dog. Yeah, 10 volt. You said how many watts?
650.
Yeah, 10 volt. Yeah, it sounded good over here. Yeah, it probably stay on together. It ought to do real well right there. Yeah, 10 volt. I heard you, I did. You said that's a Rocket Box 500? Come on with it. Sounding good, clear as a bell. It's working, it's working. You still been having any of them deer hunters coming through?
What's that?
I said, you still been having any of them deer hunters coming through, or you about got caught up?
Oh no, they still drifting in and out. We'll be that first year.
Yeah, 10 for I copy that.
Yeah, try not to. Rocket Box HD 500. Audio.
Rocket Box HD 500.
That's right. Who we got out there? There's a little black over here. Just a tease about. Oh, damn, old copy you, I did.
Hey, good evening over there, little black.
Hey, even over there, you got a small copy on me. We just on my little modulator. I was talking to Jim today, and I hit my antenna switcher, and I didn't go all the way with it. It wound up on that, on the one notch that didn't have a coax, and the smoke rolled out of my E-tail over here, so we just don't know what to do.
I heard that on letting the smoke out.
Oh, I hate it when you do that. Yeah, and I just think camp there on the fence. Somebody letting the smoke out on me with my torpedo. I didn't think it being on me. I know one camp there around the down 14 and on the relay and all. That's where the smoke comes from. So I don't know. Maybe I saved the torpedo. I don't know. Maybe so.
I heard somebody come in there just then, said somebody letting the smoke out.
She is on a hot plate 1200 Texas star, old Toshiba box, 2290s in it. Yeah, okay.
Hey, little black, you got a fairly decent copy on me over there?
Yeah, I got, I was looking quiet at the meter, but I got probably about two good pounds on you there.
Okay, then I was just on this little old 1x2. I was just trying to see if I was making the trip over there where you having this strange years. All right, I appreciate it. Well, that little old 1x2 doing fairly good then.
Yeah,
I'm showing about 2 pounds on you over here on my end. Yeah, Timbo. Key it up again, bird dog. Make sure I can still hear you. I put a little scratch in mine. Do it again. I had to bag off of just a tad. Yeah, I'll beg to hear you right there. Yeah, got to hearing a noise level was coming up in mine, and it sounded like somebody had the microphone and it was rubbing it on a jacket or something. I don't know what was going on with that. Yeah, Timbo. Yeah, you cleared right on up then. You get a chance to look at any of them videos?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I looked at I watched them there this morning.
Yeah, Timbo. You're going to have to get old Dixie boy lined up that way he can start watching. You better try and get old Dixie boy lined up where he'll start watching. It'll be hard for to get him to set that telephone down.
Yeah, you can get on there and you start watching. You got several different ones, and I usually wait a couple of days, and I'll get on there and which I don't go on my phone. I do it on my TV. I sit there reclining and watch it. That's what you say.
That's the way to go right there.
That's all you do is watch TV stuff.
Well, a lot of other things you could be watching she may not like, so I think that's a good thing, good safe thing to be watching. I'm on a shockwave antenna, and it's about 69 feet to the very top of it. I got a beam. I think my beam is actually about 11. Let's see. I think my beam is about 11 and a half feet below it. So that beam sitting at about 41 feet. You say you got to make over 5,000?
Yeah, I got it on top of I got a set of 4-element Mako beams, and then on top of that I got the Mako 5000.
Yeah, I got a Mako 5-element, but mine's only about 41 feet. Did you say yours is 70-something feet? You got them rascals way on up there.
Yeah, and believe it or not, I'm looking right through pine needles. I ain't quite above them. There's some trees close by. I got to get on up. I got to go on up a little bit more. When I get up 100, 108, I have up above these doggone big long tall pine trees.
Okay, you setting off over there in a hole and then got some hills around you.
That's right.
I got you. Hell, over here where I am, it's just all flat over here. It's like mainly ain't nothing but a crawfish flat.
Yeah. If I didn't have these pine trees around, I'd be good to go where I'm at. But I got to get up above them trees. That way I give my signal a little bit more head start there.
I got you. I know exactly what you talking about. Well, you got to do what you got to do to get it on up there.
That's right. Yeah, I got it slid. I slid it up and down right now, but I'm done out of room. I got to cut some more trees down or move everything, and I got what I got stacked, and I can't go no higher without cutting any trees and still be able to let it down and,
Yeah, Timbo, you got it where you're telescopic up and down?
Yeah, I got it on a hinge plate. I hinged the whole tower down.
Yeah, that's where mine is. It's on the hand plate. I got 2 hand plates on mine. I got a hand plate on the ground and then another hand plate up there on the beam.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah, I got about a 30-foot light pole mounted beside my tower, and where it hinges now, I use that light pole when I get her lifted up, use it for the pull off of it.
Yeah, I got you. And, well, you'd have to have something sure enough strong like that to pull all that tower up.
Yeah, it ain't too bad. I mean, I got kind of a guide wires off the backside of that little light pole, and if I can get her lined up, that old winch on my pickup, that old school Warren 9000, it'll bring it up.
Yeah, Timbo, I heard that. That's what I was getting ready to ask you, what side winch you was pulling it up with.
Yeah, I got the cable and all set up, already hooked on my tower, and I got a pulley at the top of that light pole, and then I got one that's about 3 foot off the ground, and I set my pickup over here to the side, and I got a smaller cable and all already set up. Like if I wanted to let it down right now, I just pull up there, start up and undo my guide wires there to get it hooked up, and I just get over and give it some slack, pull it out a little bit, get her leaning, and let her down, and bring it right back up when I get through with it. It's pretty good.
Yeah, Timbo. Yeah, it sound like you got yours, sound like mine and yours pretty well set up the same, except I got a winch, my winch is out there on a 4-inch I-beam, and I got a 5,000 winch on it, because I ain't got nearby as much power as you got, so mine do real well with just that 5,000 winch I got.
Like I said, I'm thinking about, I'm either going to cut some trees down where I can put some more tower and stand it up, or I'm thinking about just, I got another old shed, I'm thinking about getting out in a different spot and just leaving this setup alone, this tower, and starting over and trying a bigger beam out.
Yeah, Tim, boy, I heard that, I did. Yeah, I got a couple of videos here I've been working on here tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get over here and edit them and go ahead and start trying to upload them. With both of them, I'm gonna go ahead and try and get uploaded somewhere between the night and in the morning for a day. Yeah, you do that because right now I'm working day shift, and I'm gonna be on days like this here for. Excuse me, I had to sneeze then, but I'm supposed to be gonna be on days, straight days like this here for the next 3 months. So this will be when I'll be doing my radio talking for the next 3 months. I'll be doing it at night like this until I get retrained and get back on shift work. They shut the department down where I work at, so I'm going to a different department.
Yeah, boy. I usually try to get on here every night for, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. Sometimes it's longer. I usually hang out on 1-5, and there's a bunch of them over around Bay Springs and Law, and I talk over that way a lot. But yeah, we'll get around, start swinging around that way, and try to make it get a few more just talking in different directions there, yeah.
Yeah, Timbo, what channel you say you normally run?
15, 1-5.
I copied it 15. All right, then, well, I'll start coming over there on 15 and hollering for you.
Yeah, boy, I usually get in from work, usually around 7 o'clock there around, during the week. Around 7 o'clock I may be out here, but on the weekends, it's pretty much, I got it on. If I'm at the house out here around the shed, I got it on 15, just listening in. But you know how Skip is in the middle of the day. You have to catch it just right to make it anywhere. Local talk.
That's right. I know exactly what you're talking about.
All right. Have a good one on that way. Bird Dog, you on there? We're going to wave a hand to you, and we'll get back up 15. Maybe they woke up. Oh, damn. All right, we're going to wave right back at you there. Maybe we can get you some other night, Tempo. 10-4. Yeah, I may have to load up a bunch of this junk, come over and drop it off. You tell me if it needs to go on in the trash can or where it works it over there. See it? All right, well, sure take a look at it for you.
All right, Bird, I'm going to step over here and go to working on editing these videos.
Oh, Tempo. All right, we just hang here. Think of this rocket, Bob. See what she's going to do.
410.